Come on. Say something. Say something. Fucking say something. Yes! God damn, I'm dirty. God damn, I'm fucking dirty. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Unfair. 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 Look at that. Fucking awful. Jesus. Poor digital other guys. Poor virtual other fucking characters. They don't even know. They don't even know. They don't even know what the fuck. Oh, please. Oh, please. Okay, check this out. Fuck! No! Well, that's fine. That's okay because... No! 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 That's fine. I have Tricky. I have fucking Tricky. And that's... Nothing else matters. I'm gonna maintain that. I don't like the next track, but this one's pretty awful. But, you know, we don't have to do it again. Okay. I'm about to lose it. I'm about to lose my fucking Tricky. No. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's do this. Let's do this right here. Let's just... And then let's do this. No! God damn it. I don't understand. Fuck. Was that even a trick? I can't believe people get so much air off of that jump that we just did. We're in 4th place, but in spirit, we are in 1st. You know what I mean? A whole lot of that. Check this out. Come on. Fuck. Where are you going? I was holding the jump button. I can't really turn very well. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. In spirit, we're in 1st. But sometimes in reality, we're in 5th or 6th. And that's fine. That's fine. Check this shit out. This is the worst track of the entire game. Fuck. Do a little bit of that, a little bit of that, a little bit of this. We're in 6th, that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that, you guys. Nothing wrong with 6th place. Check this out. Sorry, Moby. Excuse me, Eddie. Excuse me, Moby. Holy cock, I am doing terrible. Excuse me, Moby. We're in 3rd place, dude. We are in 4th place, dude. You gotta do what you gotta do, which is this. Ready? You gotta watch me, okay? Take fucking note of... Excuse me, you guys. God. What is this? What is this mess? No, fuck that. Move. Yeah, this is not... This is... I don't know, man. I could have done many things. I could have done many things, but excuse me. Sometimes you gotta... No, but see, look at this. Look at this. See? Look at this. Look at this. God damn. We didn't even get Tricky once. We didn't even clear any of the fucking... No. Why? No, why? Come on. Just. Oh, fucking. God damn. It's all good. It's all good, you guys. We're still in first. I'm fucking crushing it. Oh my God, what is this? I made it under it though. I'm sure nobody else made it over. So that's fine, you know, we're in third. It's all good. This course isn't over. We still have time, and we can smack somebody across the back of the head as we watch this. Ready? Look at this. Look at this. See that? See what I'm doing? Oh, we got a speed boost. We got a speed boost.
Hey, nicely done.
So let's do some of that, just to give us a little bit of let's do another one of those. Let's just finish in first, because God damn it, it's okay. Sorry, I'm excited. It's okay to be in sixth. It's all right to be in third. It's fine. There's nothing wrong with that because we finished in last. You see that shit? I'm getting thicker. I mean in first. Shit, sorry. I'm a little bit lit right now. But yeah, you gotta understand. I'm getting thicker as this game goes on because I've beat 3 levels. So I thought that maybe it'd be necessary to get on live and show you guys how badly I'm crushing this shit. Thank you.
Can I have one of yours?
Yes.
We need more beer.
All right. So let's keep moving. Let's race.
Did you drink that weird concoction drink you made?
Why can't I go Why is my GameCube going crazy? An error has occurred. All right. Oh, we love to see it. We love to see it.
Did you drink that weird drink that you made?
Yeah.
No. Was it good? Thanks for leaving me some.
Sorry. All right. Well, an error has occurred. Turn the power off and check the Nintendo GameCube. Let's do that then. Fuck it. You know what I mean? Let's do a little bit of this. You know. A little bit of this. A little bit of a little bit of that. That usually helps a lot. Just restart that. Usually that always actually fucking helps. If I'm honest. Thanks. I mean, I hope that I saved my game. I don't know. Do you think that my whole thing's fucked now? Should we use cheats? Will you grab my laptop from upstairs? Yes. Ooh. It's tricky to rock around, that's right on time. It's tricky. Woo. Yeah. Woohoo. Yeah. To rock around, that's right on time. It's tricky. It's tricky to rock around, It's tricky to rock around. Yeah, tricky, oh. I love Kaori. It's like that, y'all. And we don't quit to keep on something. This is it. Tricky. Alright, so.
Welcome to SSX Tricky. This is going to be fun.
This is going to be fun. I'm going to look up the cheat for all outfits and boards. SSX Tricky, GameCube, all boards, cheat.
I feel like I still have the Vice City all weapons thing memorized.
Oh,
I think it's like
cheaper.
L1, L2, R1, R2.
I should
left
know
down,
this
right
one.
Up, left down, right up, or something.
I should know it from how much I've done it, but I don't know. Is this for GameCube? Yeah, this is. Alright, here, let's do this cheat. It's tricky to rock around to suck up, fucking fuck us, suck, it's tricky. It's tricky. It's tricky to suck a fucking fuck a suck, it's tricky. You know it is tricky to suck a fuck because you can't do that. It's physically impossible to suck a fuck, but try it out. It's not gonna work, you know. Unlock every course, rider, and board is hold LR. L and R, press A, B, Z, X, Y, Z, B, Y, Z, X, A, Z. Okay, we did it. So let's do that. It's tricky to suck a fucking fuck a suck and suck a toe. It's tricky. It's tricky, huh? I like this bitch because look, you could do a cheetah print. She's fired. Look at this. Wait. Yeah, she got the cheetah print. That's why. And then the board. Unfortunately, there's no cheetah print board. Shit breaks my fucking heart, but what are you gonna do? This one goes with this. This game is so 90s that it might possibly be a fucking time machine into the past. Hold on. I like her too. She's fire. Check. I love her. Wait. Let's look at this. That's hot. That's hot. I like that. That's slutty. Let's do that. Board. Let's do like a... That one's fire. That matches. Let's do the one that matches. This one matches too. Oh, that matches perfect. Let's do that. Alright.
Select event. Choose your event.
Let's do pro because that's what I am, because I just crush it every time and I'm just nasty with it, and that's all pretty much I have to say. I'm just real fucking nasty with it, dude. You guys have to watch this. We're gonna have to do Garibaldi. I've done it for the 3rd time today by accident. The 2nd time was an accident. I clicked the wrong course. It doesn't let you revert your course. So this time I'm just gonna do it for you guys to see how really truly nasty with it I am. Check this shit out. Look at this shit. Ready? No new friends, bitch. No new friends. Fuck that. Excuse me. Oh, fuck. Hold on. She's still nasty. No new friends, bitch. No fucking new friends. Goddamn backwards grind. I mean, I'm cheating death at this point. People gotta watch out. Alright, so check this out. We're gonna take shortcuts like this. And watch this, ready? And look at this. Fucking nasty. 2 birds, dude. 2 birds, 1 fucking stone. 2 birds. Ready? Just. Excuse me, no new friends. Excuse me, no new friends. Excuse me. Oh, no, 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 no. This is not good. This is not good, but it's okay. It's all good, dude. Watch this. Nasty with it. Just... Fuck! Oh, I missed my thing. Alright, hold on. Watch this. Ready? Check this out. Some little secret passageways over here that I like to take. Alright. We're just taking the asshole of Poseidon to the front, to the first place from 6, which is just the nastiest thing you can do. I mean, nobody saw it coming. Absolutely no one. And now we sit comfortably from 6. No new friends. No new friends. No new friends. Fuck. I fucked up. But watch this. We prevail. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, sorry. If any of you guys thought you were good at this game, you don't know good, man. Fucking nasty with it. Nasty as fuck. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't, Zoe. Let's go. Let's do the next event. Let's do Tokyo Mega. No, that's a headache. Let's do Mesa Blanca. I don't like this. I don't like this one. Let's do Aloha Ice Jam because it's a massive headache and yet it's kind of calming. It's almost like ASMR, but check this one out. It's supposed to be Hawaii. It's like a snowboarding in Hawaii type vibe. I like this one.
For a few weeks a year, the pros of the World Circuit can compete here at the Aloha Ice Jam, atop countless tons of carved glacial ice and snow that is slowly melting into the warm water surrounding Hawaii. Keep an eye peeled for the radical new ice section.
Look at this. Beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. But watch me crush it. It's about to get real ugly real quick. Excuse me. No new friends. No fucking new friends. Knocks you down. Immediate tricky. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. And it's always Moby, dude. Ah! Fuck my life. You know what? We prevail. Excuse me. Shit. It's all good. God damn it, bitch. You contradict yourself every fucking time. This bitch says I can live up here every time she gets high and then she hits something. And then she doesn't end up living up anywhere because she gets fucked up. And then she gets hurt and injured. And and then this happens. God damn. I don't know, man. I like this course. I like it for visual things, but I don't know if it's practical. There's nothing right about this course, to be completely honest with you. It's a mistake. It's a mistake as far as And then for some reason, what does bronze those thumbs mean? Give me a second. The commentator in the game says bronze those thumbs sometimes, and I don't know what that means. What does bronzing those thumbs mean? Does anyone know what bronze those thumbs means? I don't know. I mean, I don't. Is he saying grinds those thumbs? Bronze those. What does that mean? I know that means something, and I think I'm hearing it correctly, but I just am not up to date on. Fuck me. I think I'm just not up to date on. I think that I'm not up to date on the. Jesus Christ. On the fucking lingo. But I'm trying to bronze those thumbs, and I think I'm doing it. I think it's in like a 4th place. Motherfuckers are doing secret passageways and shit. Cheating. Sometimes you just gotta bronze those thumbs, my friend. Oh, fuck. I don't know, dude. I have no hope at this point for fucking... Oh, wait. Fuck. All right, never mind. 3rd place. Good enough for me, honestly. This track is a fucking headache. Getting your thumbs jacked? I don't know what that means. Listen, I've been trying to bronze my thumbs during this track, and there's another track called Tokyo Megaplex, and it's pretty good. I don't know. Don't be proud of me for getting in 3rd place, cause that's just permissive, and I don't wanna do that. Let's do something. Let's do. You guys should pick a track for me. Hold on. Pick a track for me. Oh, fuck. Alaska. Tokyo, Alaska. Mesa Blanca. I see equal of Tokyo and Alaska. I see a lot more Alaska now. Then let's do Alaska. All right, fuck it. Let's go. My toes are jiggling, dude. I can't really hold this phone correctly. Alaska. A lot of Alaska. So let's do Alaska. Sorry, guys. Here. All right. Fuck. It's a beautiful course. However, it is one of the worst fucking courses that, I mean, it is the worst course in the game. Look at this headache. It looks like I'm going down someone's fucking denim booty shorts. It looks like I'm snowboarding on distressed fucking jeans from Fashion Nova. And that would be very difficult to do. And so there you have this track. So let's just go. No new friends, no new friends, no new friends, no new friends. Fuck, oh, that's my fault. Alright, let's do that. Alright, we got this. Oh! Sorry, guys, hold on. I'm taking the secret passageway because... How do you even get there? Okay, this is what we're gonna figure out, is how to get to the secret passageway, which is the red square on the left. I wanna go through that. Oh my god, we did it, oh my god. Oh, okay. So, oh, fuck. So there's a pole. There's like a pole you can grind. No, 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 no. Come on, dude. Patience. Fucking. How do you make it over there? How did I even do that? No. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. What the fuck? How did I do that? Remember? I did it? Am I crazy? How did I do that? It's like a turn, right? I mean, okay, let's go. And then let's, fucking cock. All right, let's go. Let's do this. It's like a this. It's one of these. And then you fucking, I don't know, dude. I'm at the point where I don't even, okay. All right, fine. Let's take the other one. All good, all good, all dandy. Ouch. Yeah, this track sucks. Except we got a speed boost that became absolutely useless. This is what I'm saying. You guys picked Alaska, and I didn't. But you see now the massive amounts of stress that this course is. And I'm in 6th. Inevitably. Because it's a shit course, and everybody else who's going against me isn't even a human being. So that's how video games work, kids. I mean, I'm falling asleep as I do this. I can't even. This is why Garibaldi is the best, because this is just added stress. Excuse me, Eddie, no new friends. Excuse me. No new friends, no new friends. And I knocked somebody out by accident, which is kind of nice. Oh, shit on my fucking shit. Alright, I'm just gonna, I'm not even touching the controller at this point. Let's just watch her die a couple times while I take a sip of beer. That's pretty cool. Let's see what we can do here. Eddie's just as bad as I am. I'm surprised we're not in 6th a little bit. I mean, I'm in 4th now. It's unpredictable, yet I died 7 times. I died so many times, you guys. I mean, I like this part. This part's really just the cherry on top. Because it's just lots of bumpy ice and just... You gotta deal with your hands going numb because the controller is vibrating crazy. So that's all good. That's all fun and games. I like that. I like what just happened there. Let's take a nice little... Oh God, I'm nasty. I'm still nasty. But this is what I'm saying. It's all good because I'm fucked. God damn it. Oh, because I'm still nasty though. But watch this. Look. Still nasty. Still nasty. Still nasty. Still nasty. Excuse me, you fucking bitch. Jesus Christ, no new friends. Excuse me, Eddie, I'm not friends with anyone on this course. Which is great. She's kind of the outcast. I like Zoe. She's like the little punk. She's like a little punk rocker bitch. But check this out. I got tricky because someone tried to fucking test me. Look at that. Nasty with it. Yeah, that's karma. That bitch tried to knock me over. Yeah. I'm losing Tricky. Whatever. No one cares. Just nasty with it, truly. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. A non-factor. All of these people. Non-factor. Excuse me, Luke, or whatever the fuck that guy's name is. I think the guy's name is Loogie, who I just passed. I don't know what the fuck his name is. I don't know what this part of this course is either. So useless. Just makes you feel bumpy and nauseous. But check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Suck a macaco. See that? Watch this. I can do it again. Watch. A little bit of buildup of speed. Building up that speed. Okay. Watch this. Suck a macaco. Suck a macaco. See that? Fucking nasty with it. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Shit! I could have sworn that fucking... I could have sworn... Bitch, I knocked you over by accident. I knocked that bitch over by accident and she wants to confront me about it. Bitch, it's snowboarding. You signed up for this shit. You literally signed up to get fucking crushed. And that's what happened. And you can't look at me like I'm crazy, bitch. I risk my life every day on this fucking snowboarding course too. I'm just as crazy as you. That gives you no right to come fucking confront me on the goddamn after I win. You're just mad because I won. Motherfucker. I didn't win. I placed in 4th. But the bitch still had a mouth on her. And she came before me. She came in 3rd. See? Fuck her. Next. Race. Let's just keep going. Let's do Tokyo Megaplex because this shit is a goddamn acid trip as far as I know. Very fun. I love this fucking course. I love you guys too. Alright. This is a crazy course.